Hello learner, in the previous lecture of the module, we have learned meaning of news beats in the context of print media. In addition, we have also learned various types of news beats and its importance in the process of news beat reporting. After completion of this video lecture of the module, you will be able to understand qualities of a credible news. In addition, you will also able to identify various news writing styles. Furthermore, you will also understand inverted pyramids, hourglass and dramatic news writing style in detail. Let me start to explain qualities of a credible news first. A news reporter can be a good journalist and develop millions of fan following through his good news writing styles and articles. News stories of a journalist may contain following qualities. Number 1, accuracy. Accuracy is basic to any news item. News should be written accurately. When a reporter fails in accuracy, she loses news credibility. Reporters should cross-check facts, information, figure, names and spellings. Did you get the first name correct? Make sure you do not change the meaning or quote statements cut off context. Exclude rumors or gossip from your report. Inaccuracy of news stories may lead to libel and may make you lose your job. So, you must ensure your news story is always accurate.
The accuracy of news is in the fact taken for granted by the news consumers. Though it is very difficult to be accurate in news, readers should have a feeling that whatever they are being presented is the outcome of an honest and dedicated effort of the writer. The reader should never be given an opportunity to say that they never believed that what appeared in the papers. All facts given in the news item should be accepted by readers without questions. What factual accuracy really means is that every statement in news items, every name and date and age quotation, every definite words or expression or statement or sentences must be precise and presented of the true facts. Without it, journalists can lose their credibility. Hence, news agency the Reuters said, accuracy is the heart of what we do.
Number 2, balanced or fairness. A good news story should be balanced in terms of people involved in the event. For example, if you are writing about a controversy, give both sides of story. This means the ability to write a news story without showing any forms of evidence of bias and partiality. These criteria need to be considered as a news writer. Whenever you write a news story, do not judge anybody or oppose.
The reporter has to write all the specific facts correctly, fairly and accurately and objectively. He has to put all the facts together in a manner that his report conveys the correct and factual impression. He has also give a fair picture of the event as it takes place in order to fair both to the audience and about the gentleman about whom news is given. It is necessary that the news is balanced in content and meaning. News should be balanced in the matter of emphasis and compliments. As a reporter, he must constantly strive to give each fact its proper emphasis and to put it in proper relation to every other facts, to give those facts the relative importance to the meaning of the story as a whole. A reporter has to narrate every last circumstances of the story in painstaking details. A reporter has to select and arrange facts in a manner so as to give a balanced view of the whole situation.
Number 3, objectivity or truthfulness. One of the essential qualities of a good news story is objectivity, and reporter should present news story without mixing his/her opinion in the news story. Journalists should report only facts and other people's opinions. Journalists should be a disinterested observer, reporting events without taking sides. This means that as a reporter, you must not editorialize or inject your opinion into a news story.
Objectivity is one of the most important principles of modern journalism. It means that the news covers to the consumers intimated without any personal bias or any outside influence that would make it appear anything but what it is. News is unavoidable. News should be presented without a shade. A reporter should not look at events through glasses, either raised colored. News is to be presented in full light of impartial and honest observation. Objectivity is essential because only pure news can give the consumer confidence. Since people form their opinion on the basis of news items, it is all the more necessary that it should be objective in all manners.
Number 4, clarity. The news story should always be written in clear, simple, and easily comprehensible language. A reporter should always use simple English and avoid ambiguous words in his news story. Also, the use of punctuation and a good grammar will make the reader understand the story. Introductory sentence should be short and in active voice to the maximum extent possible. Number 5, attribution source. Identification should be as specific as possible. Use the person's name if possible, not merely as a spokesperson. A reporter should not invent news source or attribute information to such vague quarters like an informed source, a confidential observer, etc. The source from which a story's information is obtained must be clearly identified. Failure to do so makes a reporter's story suspect. Number 6, brevity. A news story must always be brief, clear, and simple, and its aim must be to attract an attention of both the editor and the readers. Most readers are in such a hurry to read an entire story in a newspaper. Therefore, it is advisable to always present news concisely to maintain the reader's interest. This method requires the inverted pyramid. Structure of news. Number 1, inverted pyramid. A news story is organized differently from any other types of writing. For example, an essay would begin with an introduction and then move on to the body and then end with a powerful conclusion. But a news story quickly conveys the main facts of a happening, the climax, and then relates the other facts in the order of diminishing importance. A diagram of the story would look something like this. An inverted pyramid is a metaphor used to describe how information would be arranged in a news story. In this format, information has been arranged like a inverted pyramid. It is the most common structure for writing news story, in which broader part at the top and narrow part at the bottom. Most of the news stories of daily newspaper are written in the inverted pyramid style. In this structure, the first para, also called intro or introduction, gives the most important information of the news story at the beginning. The second and third paragraph follow up on the information by expanding on the lead and adding information that is of lesser importance. That is, the broader part of the inverted pyramid contains most important information, while bottom of the inverted pyramid contains least important news. The inverted pyramid structure allows the readers to get as much information as possible in the shortest possible time. Inverted pyramid style is used because of it is required a news story may be cut from the bottom and essential news item still remains. The main advantages of this type of writing is that it is easy to grasp the important points in the first few seconds of the reading. Let we understand by following news story. Abdul Ghani lone shoot dead, which appears in bold type, is the headline. It is put at the head of the story and gives the reader an idea about the subject of the story. Srinagar, May 21 is the dateline. It tells the readers the place and date of the news story. UNI is the credit line. The newspaper has published this story, which has been supplied by the news agency United News of India. By putting UNI, the paper acknowledges the source of the news story and gives due credit. Sometimes the name of the reporter or correspondent appears below the headline. The first para of the story is called intro or lead. In the above example, senior Hurriyat conference leader Abdul Ghani lone was today shot dead by unidentified gunmen at a rally here, dealing a severe blow to the voice of moderates among separatists is the intro or lead. The rest of the news is called the body of the news story. Intro oblique lead gives the most important information contained in the news story. A well-written lead or intro is prerequisite of a good news story. Advantages of inverted pyramid. The primary advantage of the inverted pyramid style is that it allows someone to stop reading a story after only one or two paragraphs. Doing so still allows that person to learn the story's most important details. The inverted pyramid style also ensures that all the facts are immediately understandable. It also helps the headline writer to grasp the essential of the story more quickly. Moreover, if a story is too long, editors can easily delete one or more paragraph from the end. Disadvantages of inverted pyramid. The inverted pyramid style has several disadvantages. First, because the lead summarizes facts that later paragraphs discuss in greater detail. Some of those facts may be related in the body. Second, a story that follows the inverted pyramid style rarely contains any surprises. The lead immediately reveals every major detail. However, it must be also admitted that inverted pyramid style of news writing limits the storytelling abilities of the writers. Some expert feels that there is hardly any scope of creativity, but there is no entirely true. To write news stories briefly, focused and leaving out unnecessary information and still make it readable for a wide variety of news readers is itself a great challenge for creative ability of the writers. Here only important bits of information go to the readers and unnecessary details are keep out. The information is presented in order of importance and the readers have the choice to read as much story as they wish without missing the important facts. It keeps the interest of the readers live and opens one fact after another. This style also helps the staff on the desk, that is sub-editor, if the story needs to be cut because of the shortage of space or time. It can be cut at the tail and loss is only of the unimportant elements of the information. The inverted pyramid format lays emphasis on the facts and thus the comments and opinion of the news writers are not included, which in itself is a hardly journalistic practice. Number 2, hourglass. Hourglass has 3 parts. Number 1, beginning. It is combination of 2 news style, that is inverted pyramid and narrative style. In this style, news story begins with broad questions, introduction of background information of the event so that reader can understand points writer bring up later. Here you deliver the news in a summary lead, followed by 3 or 4 paragraphs that answer the reader's most pressing questions. In the top, you give the basic news enough to satisfy a time-pressed reader. You report the story in its most concise form. If all that is read is the top, the reader is still informed because it's limited to 4 to 6 paragraphs. The top of the story should contain only the most significant information. The news story starts with a very general overview of the topic, then slowly focus more specific until we reach the thesis of statement. Number 2, thesis statement or transition turn. The thesis statement is a state where hourglass becomes narrow. In this point, writer becomes specific in terms of describing news story, facts and evidences. These facts and evidence will be in chronological order to illustrate issues raised in the news story. Here you signal the reader that a narrative, usually chronological, is beginning. Usually the turn is a transitional phrase that contains attribution for the narrative that follows according to police, eyewitnesses described the event this way. The shooting unfolded this way. Law enforcement sources and neighbors agree. It is middle part of the story and it is also called transition state. It is narrow and specific part of the news writing style. In this part, all evidences are placed that support the statement and relate all it to the thesis of statement and form a big picture. Number 3, narrative. It is end part of the news story and gives information about the beginning, middle and end of the story in chronological order. Details, dialogue, quotations and background information are given in this section. It is best suited for covering trials, accidents, crimes and crises, where dramatic stories that can be told in chronological order. The writer also suggests possible answers of the following questions. What we have learned from this news story? Why it is important for the readers. What are future consequences pertain to these issues? What we should do to tackle these issues? Number 3, dramatic unity structure. Most of the news stories from the print media are written in an inverted pyramid style. That is, the most important information is present at the beginning and less important information is given later in the news story. If necessary, a story may be cut from the bottom and essential news item still remain, while broadcast journalists do not use the inverted pyramid style structure. They use dramatic unity style to write news stories. The dramatic unity structure has 3 parts: climax, cause and effect. The climax of the story gives the listener facts of the story in about the same way the lead of a print news story does. It tells listeners what happened. The cause portions of the story tells the cause, that is why it happened, and the circumstances surrounding the event. The last part of the story is related to the effect and gives the listeners to the context of the story and possible same insight about what the story will mean for the future. Broadcast journalists should think of their stories as completed circles rather than inverted pyramid. While the pyramid may be cut without losing the essential facts, the broadcast story, if written in the unified fashion, cannot be cut from the bottom or anywhere else. It stands as a whole unity. Broadcast news stories must gain the attention of the listeners from the beginning. The first words in the story are extremely important. Getting the attention of the listeners is sometimes more important than summarizing the news story or giving the most important facts of the news story. Let we understand dramatic unity style by following examples. It was a cold day and there was dense fog all around. Visibility very poor. A Maruti car was coming from Jhansi. It was being driven by Manoj Kumar. The owner of the car, Brijesh Kumar, his wife and 2 children were in the car. At 3 p.m. in the evening, they had crossed Hamirpur and were driving at the speed of 70 km per hour. Another truck had started from Barabanki at about 12 noon. Shankar Singh was driver and Shahid Alam was assisting them. The truck also reached Hamirpur at about 3 p.m. in the evening. The truck was carrying iron rods to Bhopal. After about 15 km from Hamirpur, when the fog was very dense, the car of Brijesh Kumar and the truck driven by Shankar Singh come opposite to each other, and neither could see the others their vehicles collided with each other. There was a big bang noise and the car turned upside down and then rolled down into the nearby pool of water. The truck also turned upside down. Shahid Alam could come out of the truck and he first looked at truck driver Shankar, who was lying in the truck, and Shahid thought that he was dead and started crying loudly. Hearing his cries, some farmers working in the nearby field rushed out to the scene and found 2 vehicles damaged heavily. Some of the rescuers went to the car and dragged out 4 persons after bringing the car on its wheels. Soon the ambulance came and the paramedical staff started giving first aid in the injured. They found that both the drivers and Brijesh, who was sitting in the front seat, were dead, and Mrs. Bridges was profusely bleeding. Two children had received minor injuries. The police also arrived. Photographs of the damaged vehicle were taken and statements of some persons were recorded. Injured and dead were taken to the nearby hospital in Hamirpur. The damaged vehicle are still there. Later, it was learned that Mrs. Bridges was out of danger and both children were also safe. Here, all parts of a story are linked with each other. All parts of the news story are presented in a unified manner and cannot be deleted any part of the story.
Here only important bits of information go to the readers and unnecessary details are kept out. The information is presented in order of importance and the reader have the choice to read as much story as they wish without missing the important facts. It keeps the interest of the readers live and opens one fact after another. This style also helps the staff on the desk, that is sub-editor, if the story needs to be cut because of the shortage of space or time. It can be cut at the tail and loss is only of the unimportant facts. The inverted pyramid format lays emphasis on the facts and thus the comments and opinion of the news writers are not included, which in itself is a healthy journalistic practice.
So learners, with this we have completed qualities of credible news. In addition, we have also understood various news writing styles. Furthermore, we have also learned inverted pyramid, hourglass and dramatic unity news style writing in detail.
Now, it's time to check your progress. Write down following questions and check your learning level by writing answers of those questions. To assess your learning level, we are providing you short as well as long questions. Give answer of the short questions. Number 1. A person who writes news stories is called as. Number 2. Accuracy is quality of news in which facts are presented real. And number 3. Who have provided information to the reporter. Number 4. Hard news stories are written in news writing style. Number 5. Mention 3 parts of inverted pyramid news writing style. Number 6. In inverted pyramid news writing style, the most important part of the news story is lead and it is written in part of the news story. Number 7. In which news writing style the term transition or turn has been used. Number 8. Accurate, unbiased and fair information makes a news story more. Number 9. Dramatic unity news writing style has 3 parts, which are. Number 10. Hourglass news writing formats includes. Give answer of the long questions. Number 1. What is the hourglass news writing format? Discuss it with the references. Number 2. Discuss dramatic news writing format. Why is it important in television news writing? Number 3. What is the inverted pyramid news writing format? Discuss it with an appropriate examples. Number 4. What is the inverted pyramid news writing format? How is it different from hourglass news writing formats? Number 5. Discuss qualities of news accuracy, balance, objectivity, and attribution of the sources with the appropriate examples. Number 6. What do you understand from news qualities? Discuss it with the appropriate examples. Number 7. Discuss inverted pyramid news writing style with the diagram and references. Number 8. Discuss hourglass news writing style with the diagram and references.